When chalk painting, it's important to go for the right type of paint. I went for Annie Sloan chalk paint in old white. I'm also using the normal paintbrush you would normally use for painting the walls. Remember to cover all the areas you don't want to cover with paint with the protective type. As you can see, my furniture was brown. That's how it looked originally. Then I painted that in white using my chalk paint. But as you can see, I put too little paint in some places, so we can still see the brown areas here, or for example here. So what I'm gonna do is to repaint that. So you have two options: either you put quite a lot of paint for the very first time, or you paint that again. So yeah, let's repaint that. Put quite a lot of paint on your brush and start from going through the small areas. So go from left to the right, or on the contrary, put quite a lot of paint, tap that in the corners. Yeah, make sure you don't see any brown elements anymore. Take quite a lot of paint and just brush it loosely. Don't worry if you put too much of the paint, you can always sand it the next day. So once all those elements are done, move to the right half of the furniture. Yet again, take quite a lot of paint and spread that evenly. So again, you won't see that here. Again, going from the bottom to the top and on the contrary, spread the paint evenly so you don't see brown elements. And don't worry, create the scratches and other elements there where you stop moving your paintbrush. As you can see here, we have some scratches. That's what we want to get. We want this to dry like that, and then we want to wax that the next day. So allow 24 hours for the paint to dry once you are done with painting. So remember, put quite a lot of paint and paint that loosely.